are headed to the beach. We got our beach bags here. I know, like, I love walking by that. It's so awesome. And we're headed to choose a beach. We don't really know which one we're going to. But, you know, we'll pick one and I'll show you when we get there. By the way, I just uploaded my other vlog, so you might want to go watch it. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye! Made it to the beach with lots of chickens. Oh, look at that! It looks so cool. Oh, look, there's a little cove over there. See that, Mommy?
What?
There's a little cove over there.
That's what I read about. Oh my god.
It's too tall, man. Watch out, man.
Yeah.
You feel the rock. We just gotta be smart about getting in.
We just went snorkeling for 30 minutes and it was amazing and it feels so nice out. We saw so many fish and we got GoPro footage. I hope it's good. But yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna fix my towel.
Okay, good idea. DTY.
We saw 2 sleeping turtles right here in the beach. Guys, Daddy's taking a picture of us.
We made it back from snorkeling. Now we're gonna go find some food somewhere. We're back at the hotel and then we're gonna chill for a little while the parents get massages.
Ready? Go get your hydro. And
then we're gonna play tennis and then go in the pool. And it looks so good. I got the pretty sunset in the background and the ocean. We are headed out to dinner. We went swimming for a bit. We're looking cute. Like, let me show you Bryn. Love the dress. It's fine.
Okay, like, I don't even know if you're okay.
It's so weird.
Like, why is it, like, orange or is it not like...
What is going on in there?
I was already thinking if this would be the kind of place that if we didn't we come back.
So, hi guys, we're walking back from dinner while our parents are parking the car. Just brought back.
Lorelai wasn't feeling good, so she had to leave dinner, and I feel really bad for her.
Yeah, so she's in the hotel room.
Oh,
We
we're
brought her
making the
back.
hike to our room. We're passing people working out. Just kidding, there's no one working out.
Oh, actually, there's like
No, that's a worker. He's just looking
there
at
was
the
like a
TV.
worker. It was like a grandpa. So
Wait, why do you say that? We're gonna go watch American Idol.
now
and
you
see
can
who
like
won.
barely see us, but yeah.
Oh,
So,
fuck.